Hi guys, welcome to my channel, What's for Dinner, and today I'm showing you how I make steak fajitas, so let's get started. Here I have the marinade ingredients. Please check the description below to see the exact ingredient list. I'm adding everything to the blender with the oil, squeezing in the lime juice, blending it really well, scraping down the sides if needed. Here's the sauce. It looks amazing. It smells great. Here I'm using a skirt steak. I will trim down any fat and cut it really thinly against the grain. I'll put everything in a Ziploc bag. Squeeze out any air that's accumulated with a half a teaspoon of salt. Massage the meat really well so every piece gets coated, and I'm putting it in a fridge overnight to marinate. Here I have my vegetables, bell peppers and onions. I will fry these up until they're soft. Before I'm ready to fry my meat, I take it out of the fridge for 30 minutes to come to room temperature. I will fry it in batches, 2 to 3 minutes per side until it's golden brown. This process is quick because the meat is sliced thinly. After the vegetables have been cooking for 5 minutes, I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt and stirring it. This is my last batch of meat. I'm adding everything back to the pan, tasting it, make sure everything tastes good, adjusting the seasoning if needs it, and that is it. Serve it warm. Here's how it looks like. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe and comment, and check the description below for a full recipe. See you next time.